To change IP address on Windows 11 computer, go to Search. In Search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. View by category is selected, and here you will find Network and Internet. Click on View Network Status and Tasks. Click here, and in left side click on Change Adapter Settings. Go to Search. In Search type CMD. Click on Command Prompt. In Command Prompt type ipconfig/all. Now hit enter, and here this one is my IP address, this one is subnet mask, and then this one is the default gateway, and this is the DNS server IP address. Now I'm going to set up this IP address manually. Right click on your network adapter and click on properties and click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then click on properties. Here I have to assign IP address 10.17.32.6. Now obtained an IP address automatically is selected. Click on use the following IP address and type here 10.17.32.6 and type that subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway 10.17.32.254. In DNS type 8.8.8.8 and in alternative DNS type 8.8.4.4. These IP addresses are set in my Ethernet adapter manually. Now I'm going to ping to this address. Ping. Please note, ping service is used to test the connectivity. 10.17.32.6 and now hit enter. It's successfully connected with the LAN card and IP address is changed successfully by manual effort. Now click on OK, click on close, close network connections and close command prompt. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.